there, it's Erin with Time Saving Templates. And if you work in HR or compensation, I am guessing that it might be rewards season right now where you're working at. And so I thought this would be a good time to go through an example of one of the templates that we have inside of Rewards Accelerator. In this example, I'm going to be showing how to create personalized PDFs with the click of a button for as many employees as you need to. Click to run it, and then you will see over here it is generating our statement. This bundle is all about the letters that you can take to a conversation and give to the employee that has like a personalized statement or a letter of what they're getting in their merit or their promotion, or also total reward statement. So there's really a lot in this package, but I was going to run through an example of just one thing. I was going to go through a merit increase program. These are just example letters that can obviously be changed and the colors changed or the wording. But the gist of it is that each employee is getting a personalized letter thanking them and also letting them know of a job change, a promotion, so their specific increase amount. And there are different types. Maybe you're communicating a bonus payment and a merit increase. There are versions that go into a lot of detail and share information on compa ratio and where an employee sits to their range or even the salary range. And then there's also versions that are very simple and don't go into that much detail and just say, this is your salary increase, the details here, thank you, and then adding your company name. So yeah, I'm going to go through how to generate these. Okay, so once you download the Excel template, so like I said, when you log in, there is a section to download all files in one spot, and then the rest of the sections are the video examples and tips on customizing your statements, a bonus guide for using AI. And there's also, I'll have to do another video for this section, but if you're distributing statements to different managers, you can use this macro to just generate the manager folders and have it save automatically. That's a big time saver. But for this example, as start to finish, you have a merit program. Maybe you use the Time Saving Templates merit template, which I can also link to. I've already filled out some of the information here, but this is just a template for adding merit increases and also having a recommended merit percent based on a performance rating and the employee's position to the market or the compa ratio in this case. So I've already filled a lot of this out to make it faster. So with the rewards communications, we're assuming that all this information is finalized and approved. And that's when you would go to start creating these communication letters. Whether you use the template or you have a different system and you're able to download a report of what the final numbers are for increases, that's what you're going to want to pull your information from and copy it into the template. When you first download all the files, it will look like this. These are the final blank versions. And so today I'm only focusing on the merit and combo letters, which is a merit only, or if they're getting a merit and a bonus combination. There's a lot of other stuff to go through. So this is only just one part of the Rewards Accelerator. But when you download it, it will be blank like this. And so the key will have some quick steps to go through. There's also different PDFs with directions on what to do. But basically, you're going to paste your final merit increases and employee data into the details tab. I do have a quick start guide comes with in one of the downloads. And so for the sake of time, I have already pasted in data from the merit template. Everybody's getting the same percentage. And then I also entered in the effective date because we want that in the letter. And then for the last three, we have a merit increase and a bonus. This is just for 10 people, but you could have as many as you need in the tab. And so that's step one is that's step two, pasting the letters in. Step one, deciding on the letter type. You're going to look at, so you'll see in all the templates, I have it coded. So like letter types 1 through 4 are here across the bottom. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I did try to describe what it is. It's a merit and a bonus, the simple version. If they're only getting merit, if they're not getting a bonus, you don't want to have wording that says, oh, congrats on your bonus of $0. There's also the transparent version, which was the one that has more detail here about the compa ratio. And so you're going to pick which ones you want and then add a label here in the green column, which I've already put. I want to use letter type 2 for the merit simple. And then letter type 3, I put merit bonus transparent. If you're not going to use one of the letter types, just leave it blank. Then I'm going to come over here to the details. And this is where you would assign the letter type that you want each employee. So for the people not getting a bonus, I'm going to assign them to merit simple. For the ones that have the bonus, they're going to get the merit and the bonus. Okay, and that tells it, the program, which letter to generate for which employee. Most people will either use simple for both or transparent for both. You can definitely right-click and hide any of the tabs that you're not planning to use at all. Just make sure you don't give them a name and they won't appear as an option to select to assign the employee to. Okay, so back to the key. I did the deciding on the letter types, pasting the employee details. The next part is the all file paths tab. And there's already a video on how to do this inside of Rewards Accelerator, but you're going to just take the IDs that you want to generate letters for and paste them in here. And then I need to tell Excel what file path I want the Excel and PDF versions saved in. And also, what do you want the files to be saved as? What name do you want? So it is going to assume that it's going to end with a dash in their name. But for everybody, do we want it to say rewards program and maybe the year? And then you'll see it automatically does reports program dash and the employee name. Oh, and then we need the file path. So I've already created a merit example folder to put everything in. I just need to click on it and copy this. So you will need to do this on your desktop computer, not on the online version of Excel because of getting this file path to work with the macro. So then I would come in here and paste the file path, and then you just paste into the green cells. The gray cells and cells below will populate because we're putting everybody in the same. Now, one thing it will automatically do is create, you'll see the PDF, this is the file path for all, and it's giving me a file path that is adding the manager name to it. I'm going to skip that part because that's another video that shows how to create all of their manager names, or actually maybe let's put them all to the same manager name. Let's do Anderson for everybody. And then now they're all going to be in the same folder, but I do need to make sure that folder exists. So I'm just going to come in and add that folder. Okay. But there is another macro in the Rewards Accelerator and a training on how to generate 30 or 40 different folders with the click of a button, so you're not having to manually add all these folders. It makes distribution of the letters to the manager a lot easier when it's organized that way. Okay, so that's all we need to do on this page. Now, going to the actual letter type. So I showed you what the PDF looks like here. Now, it does look a little bit different in the Excel file. So letter type 2, you'll see everything that is highlighted yellow on the right side is basically not going to be shown in the statement. So the statement is only like this part over here. But if you want to go through it and make changes, I've left it there so that you can see how it works. And there's more videos on how to make the customizations if you want to edit some of these formulas over here. And also for things that stay the same on every single statement, you can update it directly in the Excel. Like I would change the year, and you could change the subject to something else if it's the same for everybody. And yeah, the ones that are personalized are going to be formulas. And you also want to replace this with your company name. If you want to spot check before you run, this button right here is going to run all our letters for us. If you want to spot check it, you can just update in this column L the employee ID. So say I changed to 108. Now it's going to change the information. I can double check and spot check different people to see if they're appearing right. So I'm going to have people in merit only simple, and then I'm going to have people in letter type 3, the transparent version. Same with this version. You're going to want to go through, add your company logo, add your company name, edit this paragraph of information, say what surveys you use, what industries you compare to get your compensation ranges, and any other disclaimers you want to put at the bottom. You can test it out by changing it. And then, so you get the idea. Now it's time to actually run the statements. So I'm going to be having everything saved into this. So I'm going to do this one first, and I'm going to shrink this so we can see it generating our statements as we go. And you really just click to run it. And then you will see over here, it is generating our statements. The PDFs and Excel files are saved successfully. So that generated the people getting merit only, which was, let's see, 2, 4, 6 people. So that should have been 6 people in here, the first 6 that were assigned to that letter type, Daisy through Cinnabon. So it did that. And then the next one we're going to do is the merit bonus transparent, number 3. And then these are people getting bonus and merit. So I'm going to click run again, and you'll see it's adding, I believe there were 3 or 4, 4 statements that were added. So there's really not a huge limit to the amount of statements you can generate. You just click the button, and it's taking a few seconds just to do a few of these. And it did save a bunch of the Excel versions of each person. I don't really use the Excel version of each person, but if you wanted to manually change one person and not go through the whole process of running all the letters, that's one way you can do it manually, is to, let's see, if I do a file and a save as, make your custom changes or what you need to, and just save it as a PDF. Let's see if that actually, because of the print area being set, it's only going to include that area and section that we need. We don't need all the stuff that's highlighted to the right. That is just there to help everything work correctly. If you are in the middle of a rewards program and you're not sure how you're going to get all the letters done in time, This rewards accelerator can definitely help to streamline your process and get your letters done. There is a free rewards rollout planner, and it will give you some different ways to plan and different guidelines, but it's usually a very quick timeline between when you get final approval and when the letters need to be ready because, like I said, it's not just emailing a letter, it's for the manager to use during an actual face-to-face conversation or Zoom. And so that's the best practice when it comes to these types of things. So you can download this. I'll link to the rewards rollout planner. You can sign up to get it delivered right to your inbox, and that will get you started. And like I said, this is just one example of the merit letters that you can do. There's also different letters you could do for promotions and also total rewards and comp and benefits statements. So until next time, don't forget that I am here to help you streamline and save time with your Excel spreadsheets. And please subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.